During question hour on the 9th day of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Budget Session 2022, a question was put forth by the MLA of North Shillong Constituency, ADELBERT NONGRUM, and supplemented by MLA of MAWSYNRAM, HIMALAYA SHANGPLIANG, to the Minister in charge of Agriculture, BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH, on the setting up of the Central Agriculture University at UMRAN, KULAI and BHOI district, wherein the latter's response did not quite satisfy the two particular members of the opposition in the House.
To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to get the clarity from the Honourable Minister. May I know from the Minister whether it is true since the beginning the contract and agreement was made purposely for setting up an agricultural university at UMRAN, KYRDEM, KULAI.
Yes, sir. From the beginning, the government of India, it's asked the government of Meghalaya to set up the Central Agriculture University in KURDEM, KULAI. That is true, sir. But that's why I've already replied, sir. Till now, the issue is still alive, and from the government perspective, we are still continue to pursue this matter till we get the clarification from the government of India, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if that is the case, Honourable Minister, that's mean we the tribal are losing our land in the name of double standard game played by government of India by cheating to a lady landowner as per our knowledge that this very plot of land is no more longer meant for agricultural university.
Sir, I've already replied, sir. But the thing is, even we from the government point of view also, sir, we are very much concerned because we know from the beginning we was supposed to setting up the Central Agriculture University, which that's why we are giving the land for 200 acres for the government of India for the agriculture department to set up the university. So this matter, sir, it's still alive, which I've already stated, and we'll keep on pursuing this matter.
Speaker, sir, we understand the position of the Central University, which we're all looking forward for the college to be converted into the Agriculture University. We also understand that there has been a follow-up by the Chief Minister and the Minister in charge of Agriculture when they were in Delhi, and certain assurances have been made by the Ministry of Agriculture. May I know what kind of assurances were made by the Ministry in converting this college into an agriculture university, sir?
Actually, sir, the assurance from the Ministry of Agriculture, it's that what I've stated, that it's still alive and the matter will be examined. At the same time also, sir, I think this matter is very serious, sir, for our state to get the Central Agriculture University.